Go. Hey, attitude, effort, and execution. That's all it's going to take. Each guy doing their job to the best of their ability. Let's have a day, boys. Let's go. Bucs on 3, 1, 2, 3.
We've got one more game to go in Super Wildcard Weekend. These are two teams that played in Week 3. Who knew at that time how the season would go really for either side? It's been a roller coaster season for the Buccaneers. Started out 3-1, then they hit the skids. Now they've won 5 of 6.
We've been waiting for this all year. I need our best today. Go ahead, dominate. Playoff football.
Bucs wrapped up their division with a 9-0 win in Carolina.
Yeah, these two teams are ready to fight for a divisional playoff spot.
It's a fun matchup any way you look at it. There's one caught by Otten. And Cade Otten, the tight end, is good for 15 yards and a first down. Play action from Baker. That's Evans, wide open, and a first down inside the 40. So far, so good for the quarterback with the bad ankle and ribs. Chase McLaughlin from 28. And the Buccaneers get the first points of the night. Jalen Hurts.
No A.J. Brown tonight, and that's going to impact Jalen Hurts whether he can throw the ball efficiently or not.
And a blitz. Here's their shot. Looked like the ball was tipped. And Antoine Winfield Jr. is there defending against Goddard. A big play for the Buccaneers by David Moore. 37 yards on the 22-yard completion and 15 on the penalty. Mayfield wide open. There's Moore again. His second catch. Still working through this secondary. And a touchdown, Tampa Bay. So far, the tackling for the Eagles in their secondary has been awful.
Let's go. Let's go. We got some oxygen over there.
Over the middle, caught. Otten again. Another big play for the Buccaneers. So the 54-yard try by Chase McLaughlin, who absolutely drills it. And for the Buccaneers, 3 possessions, 3 scores. So what do the Eagles do down by 13 again? Fake it to Swift. Good protection this time. Aired out. Smith. Got him! Devontae to the 5. Hurts keeps wide open. A walk-in touchdown for Goddard. And some life for the Philadelphia Eagles.
Yeah, they may go for 2 now.
And we know what they do when they're 1 yard away. Pushed from behind. And he didn't get it. KJ Britt came in to help. And a stop for the Buccaneers defense. The play that's been basically unstoppable this season. The Buccaneers have stopped the push sneak twice this season. Gainwell, and there's not much there, so he'll try the other side. Lavonte David brings him down inside the 5. A loss of 6.
And Lavonte David, the warhorse, as Todd Bowles calls him, makes a big play.
3rd and 6. Hurts. David at his feet in the end zone. Anthony Nelson was on his back. Is this a safety? Either way, it would be a safety with a foul in the end zone and 2 points for Tampa Bay.
Intentional grounding. Number 1. Foul in the end zone.
It's 18-9. Second and 4. Here's another broken tackle. This is the rookie Trey Palmer, and he is gone. Touchdown, Buccaneers. Bradbury missed the tackle, and Trey Palmer did the rest. Palmer ran a 4.33 40 at the combine, the fastest time. And once Bradbury couldn't bring him down, it was over. One quarter left in one of these two teams' seasons. Here is Swift, and he's brought down the backfield by Cansey, who's had a nice game. Pressure on Hurts to the end zone. Incomplete. And a turnover on downs by Philadelphia with Davis in coverage on Smith. Tampa Bay's ball, still a 16-point game. Mayfield over the middle. That pass is caught by Payne Durham. And the tight end, a rookie from Purdue who had 5 catches all season, goes for 18. First and 20. Here's a beautiful throw and catch. The back shoulder for Evans. Well inside field goal range, lofted up. Godwin, touchdown, Tampa Bay. Godwin. And that'll just about do it. 23 yards to Chris Godwin. And Baker Mayfield was under pressure and just threw it up. And there he was.
Yeah. I'm like, where the hell is he going? There it is. Hey. This is my first one. Oh, I feel like that, bro. This is my first one. We gotta bring intensity every game. Put this one away and build off of this.
Touchdown passes for Mayfield tonight of 44 yards, 56 yards, and 23 yards. What a night tonight for Tampa Bay and a 32-9 win. And a proud night for Todd Bowles and his crew with a win. They were in charge really from the get-go. And off to Detroit they go.